may pinunta na isa siyang inter-school dance competition na tinatawagang Dance for Life. Nako, ito at maraming pang iba sa Cultural Reviews.
Good morning mga boss! Nandito ako ngayon sa San Andres Sports Complex upang manood ng Dance for Life. Ito ay iba't ibang genre ng mga sayaw, kaya tara at samahan niyo ako na panoorin ang mga ito. So Abby, tell us something about this event. Paano siya nag-start? Ano ang parang pinaka-main purpose ng event na ito?
Dance for Life is an initiative ng mga everyday Filipino, mga passionate dancers who would like to make a difference sa society na kinabibilangan namin. So, nag-start siya from the passionate heart na gustong makatulong sa ibang tao because nakikita namin na kailangan ng tulong. Every crew has one sponsored kid from World Vision Philippines. And pag nanalo sila, mas malaki po yung matatanggap ng beneficiary nila.
For a cause, itong event na ito. So each school has a representative.
Yeah, it's a fundraising event for World Vision Philippines. And we've been doing for, 2 years already.
When it comes na sa genre, lahat ba ng genre po pwede sa Dance for Life? Like hip-hop, street dance, kahit na anong genre pa pwede nilang gawin dito?
Yeah, it's literally Dance for Life. So walang genre. You can dance what that you like. It's literally, you will dance for the lives of your beneficiaries. Yes.
That's why it's called Dance for Life. Okay, how about the criteria? Anong mga criteria para sa competition na ito?
Okay, for the criteria for judging, lahat ng judges are graduate ng seminar from Hip Hop International. So from the musicality, from the synchronization and audience impact nila, lahat talaga. So it's really holistic.
Invite them to join next year din.
Okay. Ini-invite po namin kayo na makilahok next year for our season 3 because we will be doing this yearly. Instead of doing things like Dota or drugs whatsoever, we encourage you to contribute to something bigger than yourself and Dance for Life.
Ayan po mga boss, nakita nyo ng iba't ibang mga genre ng sayaw, kaya supportahan din natin ang mga talents ng mga Pilipino when it comes to dancing. And this event is also a fundraising event, kaya supportahan din natin ang event na ito. Leilin Caragay para sa Cultural Review.